If you've got a pending task sitting in Google Calendar that you no longer need, this video is going to show you exactly how to delete it in just a few quick steps. Whether it's an old reminder, a task you already completed somewhere else, or something you accidentally added, removing it from Google Calendar is simple once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy Google Calendar tips and software guides. Let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar on your computer. This works best on a desktop or laptop because the Tasks panel is easier to access on the web version. Once Google Calendar loads, look at the right-hand side of the screen. You should see a panel with different Google tools, and one of them will be Tasks. Go ahead and click Tasks to open your task list. Now, you'll see your pending tasks. Take a moment to find the specific task you want to delete. If you have multiple tasks listed, scroll through carefully until you locate the correct one. This part is important because you want to make sure you delete the right item and not something you still need. Once you've found the pending task, look for the three dots icon next to it. This is the More Options menu for that task. Click those three dots to open the additional actions available. From the menu that appears, click Delete. Google Calendar will remove that task from your list right away. In most cases, the task disappears immediately after you confirm the deletion, so there's no extra complicated step involved, and that's it. You've now deleted a pending task from Google Calendar. It only takes a few clicks, but knowing where the Tasks panel is can save you a lot of time when you're cleaning up your calendar and keeping everything organized. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more Google Calendar tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with any other calendar or productivity feature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.